Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is, how do you customize QuickBooks by changing the color schemes and the adding or removing icons from the home page? Option A, you cannot change the color schemes of QuickBooks. Option B, click change the look of QuickBooks on the home page. Option C, right click on the icon on the home page to remove it or replace it. Right click on the home page in a blank space to the change the color scheme. Option D, choose the edit preferences desktop view. The correct answer of the question is choose edit preference desktop view. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye.